Hi writers, I have a treasure box today because you're going to be like treasure hunters. You need to look for a treasure in your writing. Now, just like if you were getting a prize in school or got a chance to look at a treasure box, you wouldn't just reach in and decide to keep the first thing that you found. You'd look in, look carefully, check everything, maybe take it all out and say, let me think. Do I feel like having some gummy bears? Ooh, I haven't had a granola bar in a while. Oh, no, wait, there's one more thing in here. I love sharks. Good thing I checked everything to find the one I really like the most. Well, you're gonna do the same thing with your writing today. It's time to find all of your writing and take it all out. Find all of the possible treasures. Read all your writing to find the one that you want to choose to publish. When you find one to publish, it's going to be one that you probably like the most, you work the hardest on, and you'd like to share, which means you know how to read it really easily. When you have found that piece, something else that you can do today is give it a fancy cover page. All writers put covers on their books, and covers have a place to add the title, a picture to show what the story is all about, and of course to have the author's name to show who wrote the book. You're going to do the same thing for your stories. You have a spot at the top to put the title, the name of your story, a place to sketch to put a picture to show what your story is all about, and you need a spot to write your name. You're the author. Okay, authors, have fun with your treasure hunt today.